Askari Shoes, a project of the Army Welfare Trust, established in 1990 to serve Pakistan's armed forces. Our 85,000 square foot facility, located in Lahore, is powered by solar energy, reflecting our commitment to sustainability and reducing our carbon footprint. In our raw material store, leather hides are carefully inspected, ensuring only premium quality moves to the next stage. In the cutting section, components are precisely prepared using accurate dies. With a capacity of 2,400 pairs per day, each component is carefully handled to ensure the highest quality standards. In the closing section, over 200 machines and skilled craftsmen assemble uppers with precision, ensuring every stitch delivers strength, durability, and top quality craftsmanship. In the lasting section, advanced machines craft half-lasted and stuck-on shoes with precision, ensuring perfect shape, structure, and comfort in every pair. We process our own rubber to meet exact specifications. Producing high-quality outsoles in-house and ensuring strict adherence to quality standards. Innovation, precision, and durability. This is the Desma Direct Soling Machine. German technology, producing up to 2,000 pairs per day, each crafted to perfection. Programmable molds deliver accuracy and consistency, cycle after cycle. Automation and robotics ensure productivity you can trust. Intelligent release agent spraying robot. Precise, efficient, consistent. Fully automatic molds guarantee repeatable quality every time. High-speed PU injection delivers strength, adhesion, and durability. Where craftsmanship meets technology, the roughing robot ensures precision for every material. Direct injection creates the strongest bond for maximum sole durability. For reliability, strength, and performance, Desma sets the standard. In the finishing section, each product passes through final touches and strict quality checks. Every pair is carefully packed and stored in our warehouse, ready for delivery.